So next type of machine is capacitor start induction run induction machine. It's very simple. First I'll write the circuit diagram. Vs phase neutral, single phase 230 volts, 50 hertz, AC supply we are going to give. Similar to split phase, here we have main winding, here we have rotor, here we have starting winding, but the starting winding is connected in series with the capacitor along with the centrifugal switch. So this is switch, this is starting winding, this is main winding. Now the thing is, we'll write the vector diagram so you will understand the working. This is the supply voltage Vs. The current flowing through the main winding is Im. Im is like this. It is not exactly 90 degree. It is less than 90 degree. Is. Im, not Is. Im. Where can I write the current? Is. As we know, in case of capacitive circuits, voltage lags behind the current. In case of inductive circuit, current lags behind the voltage. In case of capacitive circuit, voltage lags behind the current. Means the current Is leads the voltage by some angle. I don't know what is that angle. So here the current Is, see here the current Is is lagging behind the voltage since it is inductive. So here we have capacitive. Obviously the current leads the voltage. So I have to write the current here. So this is the current Is. Now what happens? Compared to split phase, the value of alpha increases. When the value of alpha increases, starting torque also increases. So this can be used for high torque machines. High torque machines. This type of machines is used for low power machines. Mean less than 5 kilowatt. So this can be used greater than 5 kilowatts. So that's it. Remaining working principle is same as split phase. But the only thing is we are inserting a capacitor with the starting winding so that what happens? The current, starting current leads the voltage so that the angle alpha increases, the torque produced also increases. So this is a capacitor start induction run machine. Later what happens, once the motor pick up its speed, we are going to remove the centrifugal switch so that this capacitor is disconnected. That's why the name is capacitor start induction run. It is running with the main winding itself. So that is highly inductive. So it is capacitor start inductive run machine. So this is split phase induction machine. Why it is split phase? We are splitting the phases. So here we have one phase, here we have another phase. That's why it is called split phase induction machine. And one more type of single phase machine is capacitor start, capacitor run induction machine. So nothing change. This is same as this one. But what we are doing? We are not removing the switch once the motor pick up its speed. The capacitor will be there in the circuit itself. Working, everything will be same. It has its own peculiar application. In certain application, we need to keep the capacitor inside the motor while the motor is running. That's why it is called capacitor start, capacitor run. Only change with the capacitor start induction run machine to capacitor start capacitor run machine is the centrifugal switch is absent. So in this type of machine, centrifugal switch is absent, so that during starting the capacitor will be there in the circuit, and during running the capacitor will be there in the circuit. In case of this type of motor, only during starting the capacitor will be there. While running condition, the capacitor we are going to remove using centrifugal switch. Okay, this is what the working of single phase induction machine.